If you are looking for a retirement lot with a prime view like this, I am very much excited to share with you our newly launched subdivision, Crescela Estates Nuvali. Good morning po sa inyong lahat. By the way, I am Renz Pagiligan, also known as the Estate Savvy. Welcome to our newest estate subdivision, Crescela Estates Nuvali. By the way, I am your property specialist here in Nuvali. But before we deep dive into Crescela, let's have a quick drive tour po muna para malaman po ninyo kung paano nga ba pumunta dito sa Crescela Estates and malaman din po ninyo kung ano-ano na po ba ang mga current developments dito sa Nuvali. Welcome to my drive tour, guys. And before po tayo mag-start, let me share with you a brief details about Nuvali. Nuvali is the largest eco-estate development of Ayala land. This is composed of 2,500 hectares and is divided into 4 segments. Number 1, Nuvali North. This is our main commercial business district. Number 2, Nuvali Central. Number 3, Nuvali Heights. And number 4, Nuvali South, kung saan po located yung ating communities and si Crescela Estates. So let's start na po, Samahan niyo po ako sa aking drive tour. And while you are watching from your television or other devices na kahit nasa bahay lang po kayo, ay parang sinamahan niyo na po ako na para tayong nag-ocular or nag-site visit dito sa Nuvali. And lalo na po sa mga OFWs na looking na ng property for their retirement. So let's start here sa front of Nuvali. This is just located along Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road and sa pagbaba na ng Calax, Laguna Boulevard exit. Dito nyo rin po makikita ang famous Nuvali logo. Pagpasok nyo ng Nuvali, by the way, this is Nuvali North, our main commercial business district. Of course, as the name implies, dito located ang ating malls, shopping centers, activation areas, etc. And on our left side, located ang Solenad 1, where also located ang famous man-made pond kung saan pwede rin po tayo mag-feed ng koi fish and boat riding. On our left side din, located the Seda Hotel, the Nuvali Techno Hub. This is an Ayala office na soon mag-open for BPO and IT careers and opportunities. The ongoing development of Museum for Architecture and Residences. Guys, this one is a game changer for Nuvali. Sobrang ganda and unique ang building na ginagawa na ito. This is of course a museum, exhibit, and may limited residential units na may sariling hot spring. Once ma-finished itong building, boom na naman ang value appreciation here in Nuvali. And on our right side naman, located the landmark Ayala Mall Solenad 2 and 3. And as we go along Nuvali Boulevard, by the way, this is Nuvali Boulevard, the main road of Nuvali. Anyways, as we go along Nuvali Boulevard, dito naman located ang Landers, and in this road papuntang SNR, our shopping centers. And good news, guys, sa area na ito, merong additional mall na naman na gagawin si Ayala, which is Solenad 4. Ongoing na po ang development nito. And as we go along Nuvali Boulevard, in this road naman located our own hospital, Healthway Qualimed. It's very good to know, na we have our own hospital here in Nuvali. And sa area na ito, dyan din located ang McDo, Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf, Uniqlo, and ongoing development of Jollibee. And along Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road, if you go up from here, dun po located naman ang ongoing development of SM Yulo Premier. Guys, this is also a game changer to Nuvali. It's better to invest now, guys, before ma-finish itong mga developments. Because once finished itong malls and museum, expect na mag-skyrocket ang value ng properties here in Nuvali. So let's go back to the road. Here naman on our left side is the pocket business district called East Block. This is almost 12 hectares in size na ang allowed itayo dito are mid-rise buildings, pwedeng office, condo, tertiary schools, or another mall, hospital, etc. And on our right side naman is the North Central Business District. This is almost 5 times in size of East Block. Matagal pa po ito gagawin, but this will be our next BGC of the South. One of the reasons why to invest here in Nuvali because andito na ang future. Think of your children na in the future, possible dito na sila mag-work or you may expand your business here. Ang daming pwedeng gawin. Also, plan din kasi ni Ayala na ma-decongest ang Makati and BGC area. And lahat ng South residents na working there ay dito na sila ma-divert sa BGC of the South. Hindi na sila lalayo pa, no? Sobrang ganda ng plan ni Ayala dito. By the way, short trivia guys, no? Sa sobrang ganda at ayos ng master plan dito kay Nuvali, ito na po ang ginawang model ni Ayala bilang sustainable community development. Baka may nakikita kayo sa Facebook or other platforms na the next Nuvali in the North, the next Nuvali in Cavite. Diba? Hearing this, mas lalong nakaka-proud bilang Nuvali resident. And for you guys, diba, ang sarap mag-invest sa future nyo sa #1 sustainable development ni Ayala, which is Nuvali. After that rotunda, exit po tayo sa second exit. And after this bridge, we are here na at the heart of Nuvali, Nuvali Central. And you may notice no na there is another guard post there. And madami po tayong guard post across Nuvali. They are part of estate security, ensuring na the residents, tenants, and visitors are safe within the estate. And after that guard post, located naman the 12-hectare pocket business district called Central Block. This is our commercial area inside Nuvali which will benefit the Nuvali Central residents. Kumbaga, this is very convenient no to add to the residents of Nuvali na we won't need to go to Nuvali North or to Ayala Mall Soledad because we have our own commercial area na. The design is parang Alabang Town Center. Also, mid-rise buildings lang ang pwedeng mga i-develop dito. And yung mga ongoing na dine-develop na dito are Merrimart and the shops. Moving on, after Central Block, in this road naman, located one of the schools here in Nuvali, Xavier School. By the way, we have 3 schools here in Nuvali. The other 2 are Everest Academy and Miriam College, which are madadaanan din naman natin later on. And at the end of this road, located din ang aming pet-friendly mid-rise condo called Solara Park Stories. If you want to invest naman ng condo or want ng passive income, let me know po. Don't worry, I will attach to the description below my video about Solara Park Stories naman. On our left side naman is the Rockwell South. They are not part of Nuvali but their property line is nakadikit along Nuvali Boulevard. Magkakaroon din sila ng their own commercial area and good news, we can benefit also din doon. Po tayong makapasok and shop or dine sa commercial area nila and vice versa, the Rockwell South residents to Nuvali. As we go along south, we notice na pataas na ang elevation ng road. Dito na po tayo sa Nuvali South, the highest elevated area in Nuvali where mas mahangin na dito and mas malamig na po lalo pag gabi. And do you see that T-road sa tumbok po na yan? May allocated na commercial area dyan si Ayala na planned to be an alfresco mall. That is 10 hectares in size na ang kinagandahan once ma-finished itong mall, meron kayong magagandang views like buong Nuvali, Laguna de Bay, Mount Makiling, and Tagaytay Ridge sa top floor. Na parang more exclusive na itong alfresco mall sa atin to us Nuvali South residents, sobrang convenient ito para sa atin. And on our left side, located naman the 31 hectares activation area na hinati into 3 sectors. First is golf driving range. This is existing na if you want to test your swing. And dito rin located ang high-end restaurant called the Veranda Sunset. The second sector naman is the ongoing development of dog park and garden center na parang botanical garden sa Baguio. And for our third sector naman, which will benefit the most are the bikers kasi bike trail naman ang gagawin dito and ongoing development na din. In this area naman is the Everest Academy, one of the schools here in Nuvali, and on our left side, the other school which is Miriam College. Now, after Miriam College, diretso lang po tayo and this road, what we will take is going to our newest estate subdivision, Crescela Estates Nuvali. Welcome to the area kung saan located si Crescela Estates. By the way guys, this is not the actual location of Crescela Estates because the road connecting there is underdeveloped pa and hindi pa po siya pwedeng daanan. But the elevation and the breathtaking views are almost the same kasi nasa iisang area lang po tayo. So watch this clip This is a drone shot po na pointing kung saan ba located itong si Crescela Estates. So you know na po no, the actual location of Crescela Estates just beside of Mondia and Alveo community. This is a pre-selling community itong si Crescela Estates, and the target completion date is on the second half of 2028. By the way, sobrang ganda ng meaning ni Crescela. It came from the Latin word meaning to grow. Kumbaga, this is super perfect for the starting families na where you can watch your kids grow. And for the individuals na gusto na mag-invest for the future, and at the same time, you can make your hard-earned money to grow. And for retirees na they want a place na for their retirement soon, ika nga to grow old with you. Crescela Estates is just 13.5 hectares in size. Kumbaga po, maliit lang po siya na community. Compared sa aming other subdivisions, almost half in size lang siya. Meaning po na kukunti lang po kayo na residents dito. And what's the exciting part here is its elevation. Up to 219 meters above sea level po tayo. So expect nyo po na mahangin po dito and malamig po sa area na parang nasa Tagaytay po kayo. And what's also good here is the 45% of the community is designated for open spaces, parks, roads, amenities, eco yards, and playgrounds na, di ba, lots of spaces yung ating community. Hindi siya puro bahay lang. Alam mo yung feeling na pati yung community ay nakakahinga ng maluwag. So dahil newly launched po yung ating subdivision, we are offering fresh inventory. Meaning po maraming lots and house and lots to choose. For the lot only, yung range ng mga available lots natin are from 137 to 246 square meter. You may opt to choose inner lots, corner lots, or if you want na mas bigger lot, pwede po tayong mag-purchase din ng adjacent lots. And ang kinagadahan po ng pag-purchase ng lot only kasi you will not be required to construct a house na immediately kapag na-turn over na po yung community. Kumbaga po, you have a freedom or you have the freedom kung kailan nyo gusto magpatayo ng bahay. What important is you have a piece of nuvali na. And when the time comes na gusto niyo na po magpatayo ng bahay, you can make your own design as long na it is a modern contemporary and with earth tone colors. You may purchase a lot only for 16,000 monthly, and this is the best time na to invest in Crescela lots kasi sobrang in demand yung mga lote dito sa Nuvali. And with longer payment term na up to 44 months. Ngayon lang po kami nagbigay ng ganyang kahabang payment term. Usually po kasi sa aming lot only and house and lots, up to 36 months lang po talaga kami. And mabilis mag-appreciate ang value ng properties ni Ayala. And no doubt naman po about dyan kasi Ayala is Ayala, the current top real estate developer po. And lalo na po kapag na fully developed na yung mga current developments inside Nuvali, like sa mga binanggit ko pa kanina sa ating drive tour. So kindly message me for the availability of the lots kasi unti-unti na po siyang nababawasan. So if you prefer naman po ng house and lot, we have our two model houses po. Number 1, Erin, and this one po, Solea model house. For this model house, Erin, this is our 3 bedrooms house and lot. The floor area is 95 square meter and up to 2 carports. This is good for starting families. Actually, our house and lot package are good for or perfect for OFWs na, example, if they want to retire na in the Philippines for good, alam nyo yung may naka-ready ng bahay para tirhan nyo na lang pagka uwi nyo. And this model house naman, Solea, this is our 4 bedrooms house and lot. The floor area is 110 square meter and also up to 2 carports. Yung kinagandahan po ng model house na ito kasi it has a bedroom downstairs. Kumbaga, it is suitable for seniors, yung mga hindi na po kayang umakyat ng stairs or ng hagdan. This is very good for retirement home po talaga. Don't worry guys, I will make another video for house tour naman. Papasukin natin itong model houses natin, Erin and Solea. So stay tuned lang po kayo, kindly like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates and sa other videos ko po here sa Nuvali. And for the amenity area naman, we have clubhouse, adult and kiddie pool, multipurpose hall, basketball court, indoor gym, children's playground, and jogging path. I will share a clip na sample ng amenity area of our other estate subdivision. So, watch this. So this is it. I hope nag-enjoy po kayo sa ating tour papunta to Crescela Estates Nuvali. For the inquiries of lot only or house and lot, you may reach me through my Facebook page, The Estate Savvy, or to my Viber or WhatsApp at 0917-140-5564. Again, this is Renz Pagiligan, The Estate Savvy, your property specialist in the South.